Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can apply an Electro Light Storm body effects to your videos or photos on CapCut. So first, of course, you need to add your clips to CapCut, and this is actually a new effects on CapCut that you can find under the effects, body effects, and in here just swipe until you find the glowing lines tab. Click on that and then just scroll down until you find this Electro Light Storm body effect. So click on that effect, click on a check icon, and after that you can adjust the effect. You can change the color of the light. Just swipe it to the left or right and find your best color, and after that you can just click on a check icon and the effect will be applied, and here is the result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.